This winter, everything changes. For the next 90 days, it's not about the world outside, it's about the battle within. This is Winter ARC, the ultimate self-improvement challenge, designed for students, dreamers, and young men who are ready to break free from the chains of distraction and finally step into their best version. Imagine waking up every morning with clarity. No endless scrolling, no wasted hours, just you, your goals, and the discipline to make them real. For 90 days, the rules are simple. No distractions, no excuses, no turning back. Winter ARC is built on 5 pillars. Digital detox, to silence the noise. Daily discipline, to sharpen your focus. Cold showers, to build unshakable mental toughness. Quitting bad habits like smoking, junk food, endless scrolling, and a complete fitness plus grooming reset to rebuild your confidence from the ground up. It won't be easy. There will be days when the bed feels warmer, when your mind tells you to quit, when the comfort of old habits whispers back. But Winter ARC is not about comfort. It's about growth. Every rep you push, every cold shower you take, every distraction you refuse, that is one more victory against the weaker version of yourself. From October 1st to January 1st, 90 days stand between who you are today and who you could become. This is not just a routine, it's a mindset. It's you versus you.